Okay, the next question. Check whether 301 is a term of the list of numbers 5, 11, 17, 23. Okay, check whether 301 is a term of the list of numbers 5, 11, 17, 23. So, we done these problems in the previous class, but there is a somewhat is to be different. Here, 301 is a number. This number is to be there in that arithmetic list of numbers or not. Okay, so is there in the list of numbers or not? First of all, we can find it is in AP or not. So the word is not to be mentioned here. Check whether 301 is a term of the AP. Okay, so here they mention the word is to be the list of numbers 5, 11, 17, 23. The meaning of a thing. So first of all, we can prove that the given list of numbers are in AP. Okay, already we know that. How can you show the given list of numbers are in AP? Okay, so first given list of numbers 5, 11, 17, 23 and so on. Okay, to be proved that these are in AP, so their common differences are to be their differences of equal, then automatically the list of numbers are in AP. How can you prove that those differences are to be equal means? So A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3, those are equal, then automatically the given list of numbers are in AP. Okay, the first here A1 is equal to 5, A2 is equal to 11, A3 is equal to 17. So if we write as that one as A4 is equal to 23. Okay, so A2 minus A1, 11 minus 5, 11 minus 5, it is 6. Then same way A3 minus A2, 17 minus 11, 17 minus 11, 6. Coming to that A4 minus A3, so 23 minus 17, 23 minus 17 is also to be 6 only. Then all the consecutive terms differences are to be equal, 6, 6, 6. Okay, then automatically what to write according to that? According to that, A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. So the list of numbers form an AP. The list of numbers, the given list of numbers form an AP with the common difference. What is the common difference in the situation? D is equal 6. D is equal 6. Okay. So then first of all, the first step is to be completed. The list of numbers are in AP. If it is in AP, 301 is a term of this given AP or not? That is the question. So, but we say that this is to be assumed that as a nth term. Why? Because we don't know where it is to be located in the given arithmetic progression. Then automatically whatever the number is to be mentioned in such type of problems, first of all we can assume that the given number should be nth term in that arithmetic progression. Okay, so let 301 be nth term of this AP. 301 be nth term of this AP. So nth term means an. Okay, an is equal to 301. Already we know that what is the formula for an? A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 301. A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 301. Substitute the values what we know in the question. So A is 5 plus n minus 1. Will find the value of n. Why? Because it is to be located in which place? N means at which place it should be located. N minus 1. D means already with the common difference d is equal to 6 is equal to 301. N minus 1 into 6 is 6 into n minus 1 plus 5 transpose to that side minus 5. 301 minus 5 is equal to 296. Okay, 6 into n 6n minus 1 minus 6, that is equal to 296. That minus 6 is transposed to that side plus 6. 296 plus 6 is equal to 302. 6n is equal to 302. N is equal to product is to be transposed to that side, change as a division, 302 by 6. So 151 by 3. So 151 is not to be simplified with 3. 151 is not to be simplified with 3. Okay, then we are getting the decimals in the place of that. What is the meaning of n in the problem? N is a term. Which term it should be indicate? Okay, which term it should be indicate? Okay, then the terms are to be first term, second term, third term, fourth term, like that. Those are to be positive integers, not to be decimals, not to be decimals. Okay, 151 by 3 we can simplify it. We are getting the result is to be decimal. Okay, so here n is not a positive integer, not a positive integer. It is to be a decimal in the part. So, but n should be positive integer. Here n is not positive integer, but n should be positive integer. Okay, so then automatically the 301 is not a term of given list of numbers. Okay, if it is any positive integer, then automatically that result is to be a answer for the question. So for example, you are getting the result is to be 50, you are getting the result is to be 50, then automatically 301 is to be a 50th term of the given list of numbers. 301 is to be a 50th term of the given list of numbers. But the 151 by 3 is not to be simplified as an integer, positive integer or integer. So it should be a decimal. It should be a decimal. Then automatically here n is not a positive integer, but n should be a positive integer. Okay, compulsory n should be a positive integer. Okay, so 301 is not a term of given list of numbers. Okay, these are the problems.